I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Google It. Today we're making something quick to eat, and in today's menu is going to be a nice refreshing dessert. So let's go through the ingredients here to tell you what we have. Strawberry jello, and the one I'm using here, there's no sugar added. And hot water, milk, chopped fruit, and custard powder, sugar, banana, milk, cookies, and some ice. We're gonna start with the custard first. So I'm gonna put the sugar and the custard powder. So we're gonna put half of the milk first and whisk it very well till all the powder and the sugar are dissolved, and then you add the rest of the milk. Your stove on medium, and you whisk it every few minutes or so till start thickening up. You can see it start thickening up now. Now we're gonna bring it to boil and let it boil for 20 seconds, not more than that, and ready to go. You can see the bubbles here. And now let's empty all the custard in the bottom. Make sure you spread it evenly everywhere. So let's place the milk cookies right beside each other. Here we go. Now we're gonna put it on the side to cool down a little bit, and in the meantime we're gonna mix the jello. Now always follow the instruction on the package. The one I have here, every envelope required 2 cups of water, 1 warm, 1 cold. But today I'm using ice, I'm not using cold water. You start with 3 cups hot water, then you start adding the jello powder and you mix it at the same time. And then you start adding the ice till you reach the 4 cups line. And the best way to cool down your jello so quick, it doesn't take time in the fridge. Give it a few minutes for the ice to melt. Perfect, that's what we're looking for. Now let's bring the custard here. Pour the jello on top. Make sure cover the whole things. Here we go. Sliced banana, spread it everywhere. Store-bought fruit salad, spread it everywhere as well. So now all what you need, just put it in the fridge and watch your soap opera till this one ready. I finished watching my soap opera, and this is the result after 2 hours. Now let's slice it and serve it on the plate. Look at that beauty. Nice. Here we go. Won't hurt the little whipped cream on top. Now it's the moment of the truth. Look at that. Wow. What a refreshing, quick and easy dessert to make. Creamy custard, the milk cookies, and the jello, fruit, banana. It's amazing. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.